Kesha.
And we are here to teach you on the song Care Nahi Karta. If you haven't watched the video yet, the link is given above and also in the description box.
For the copyright purposes, we won't be showing the choreography on the song. So as mentioned before, if you want to compare the steps on the song, the link is given above and also in the description box. So let's begin. So let's begin. The first step, we start with the position 1. Take your right leg forward. Hit and pulse, pulse. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Hit and pulse, pulse. Now you need to move your left leg forward and take a wave. And right leg comes behind. Slide, okay? Slide your right leg. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, place, place, slide and step. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, hit, hit, step, slide, and now you go hit, hit, hit. The second partner won't do this part, only I will be the one who is doing this part, okay? Let's go again, 5, 6, 7, go. Hit and step, step, wave, step, and step, hit, hit, stop, and back, back. After you finish your right left, okay, it's the same part. Then again you start the same step which we started. You go here, you repeat the first part in the second part. Let's go, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, in, hit, step, and 1, step, step, hit, tara, 1, hit, hit, step, and hit, 1, hit, hit, step. Now you don't need to stop, okay? You're doing the individual part, step, right, left, okay? After this, you need to shuffle your place. I'll be going backside, Kesha will be coming forward. You go tuck, tuck. So now my part is, I take my left, right, left. And her part will be right, left, right. Left, right, left. In, out. So we go right, left, down, down. Hit and let's go from the top till here. 5, 6, 7, go. Hit, pulse, pulse, slide, hit and 1, step, step, out, tada. Hit, step, step, slide and step, hit and pulse, tada. Shuffle, step, 1 and tuck, tuck, hit and you go forward, tuck, tuck. In this we added an element. You are looking to each other. 1, step, step, throw. After you finish here, throw, roll, roll. Your hand is outside, okay? Again, end it over here, throw, roll, roll. Let's go from the top till here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, in, step, out, and hit, step, step, and tada. 1, in, step, and hit, right, pulse, pulse, step, tada, place, step, and hit, in, and 1, tada, hit, roll, roll. After this, it is a and 1 step. The right leg goes back and left comes forward. But as it is an and step, shuffle back. Okay, you just need to hit back. With that, the body work goes 1, after this, and 1, step, shuffle, up, tuck, tuck. Let's go again. Right, left, take your right leg up, hands down, roll your right hand, left hand comes up, right hand comes up, tuck, tuck, drop, right, left, in, pulse, pulse. So that was the first part. Let's do it from the top on counts one more time, slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, step, step, slide, hit, and 1, step, step, out, tada. 1, in, step, la, na, hit, step, step, hit, na, na, back, step, 1 and in, step, and hit, step. Throw, roll, roll, and 1 step, shuffle, up, tuck, tuck, drop, right, left, in, tuck, tuck. So the first part is done. The second part, I'll shuffle it up.
So we finished our part. Here you go hit, hit. Then you will jump on your left leg behind. Keep your leg straight and step. Again, we finished here. Hit, hit. Right leg comes forward and drop. Keep your legs on your toes and drop. With that, you will go down and up. Again from here, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, and you will come to your partner again, forward. Then you will go a wave on your right side, 1, 2, with your left shoulder first. Left, right. Again, we'll revise from here. You go hit, hit, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, hit and forward, left, right. Then take a wave to your right side, 1 and step. Again, with that, your left partner can do the step, roll and drop. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and twist. You will twist your left leg, twist. Again, we revise from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and hit and forward, wave, wave, wave and hit. Then we'll throw our hands forward and we'll go back side with your right leg and heel out, toe out. Again, we do it from here. Wave, wave. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, step and hit. Back, step, step. Then you keep your right leg forward with your left hand. Tap and lift. Next leg, 1 and lift. Again, we finish your step. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and so I'll be going to my right side. She will be going to left side. 5, 6, 7. Go slide and there will be 2 beats. First beat she is going to catch. Second beat I'll catch. So it will be 1 and 2. Keep your right leg up and your hands outside. Again, we revise from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and slide, tuck, tuck. After this, we'll go to your right side. Hit. We'll just hit and take our right leg inside. Then you go wave to your left, wave to your right. It is a casual step. You can do your free counts, left and right hand. So the next part, she'll continue.
Chalo, okay. So you end your step was left, right, right, left. Now you take your right leg to the left side. 1, turn, right? With that, now you need to take your butt out, keep your hand over here and step. Turn, right forward, up, drop. Let's go again. From here, 5, 6, 7, go. Wave and step and turn, up, down. Again, let's go again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, step, out and step. Now you need to jump on your left leg, left, right join, okay? When you're jumping on your left leg, your hand goes up, down. 5, 6, 7, go up, down, up. Now go backwards, up and. Let's go again from here. You finish your step, down, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and up, step, step and. Now you end your step in position 1. You need to take your left leg out, roll, roll, roll. It's a soft roll, 1, then top, ha. Slow, fast, fast, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. Slow and drop, tuck, tuck. Again the same step, 1 and up, step, step and. Let's go again from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, step and turn up, down, 1 and up, what? And roll, roll, roll down and 1, up, step, step and. Now the next part, left leg goes forward with your right shoulder up, 1, step, step, okay? Again, like we did this step, slow, fast, fast, we're gonna do slow, fast, fast, hit and. While you hit back, you need to take your left leg on your toes and come back to the place, okay? Let's try again from here. First one, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, step, step, slow, fast, fast, down, tap, tap, 1, up, back, back, slow, fast, fast, hit, step, okay? Let's revise from your ones. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, step, and turn and step. 1 and 2, step, and roll, start, tug, down, hit, hit, 1, up, step, step, slow, fast, fast, hit, step. Okay, so done with the third portion also. Fourth portion will be continued by Kesha again.
So we finished our step here, right, left, right and step. You twist your heel first, right heel inside, left heel outside. With that your handwork will go right, left, then you lift your left leg, hit and tap, tap. With that your hand will go hit, hit, upside. 5, 6, 7, go twist, twist, lift, step, step. Then you jump on your left leg with your hands cross. It will be jump and turn, turn. We turn with our 2 bounces, hit and turn, turn. After this we tap our right leg forward, right and left step. With that handwork will go 1 and a 2. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and a 2 and then the last step you have to kick and kick. With that we'll jump 2 times, 1 and 2. With that you have to roll your shoulder, right shoulder behind, behind 2 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. We hold here and we come closer in the end. 1 and step. And after this you just have to do free counts. You can do anything. You can go back side or you can go front side and you end here. Okay, so we'll revise it from the start till here again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and a hit, hit, wave, step. And I won't do the step. Up, hit, hit, hold, tap, tap. Again repeat. 1, bounce, bounce, slide, step, and up, down, down, hit, right, left. I'll be shuffle. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, step, step, back, back, hit, and 1, step, step, punch, roll, roll, shuffle, up, roll, up, hit, hit, jump, right, left, and hit, hit. The third part, 5, 6, 7, sorry, the second part, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and hit, come close, wave, wave, 1 and 2, hit, step, step, lift, lift, slide, beat, beat, 1 and wave, wave. We start with the third part from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, hit and up and back, back, roll, fast, fast, in and step, step, lift and up, back, back, right, left, right, beat. From here we start our fourth part. Twist, twist, lift, hit, hit, back, turn, turn, 1, 2, roll, roll, 1 and 2 and free counts, free counts. Okay.
So we hope you love this choreography, and if you want to compare the steps as mentioned before, you can check out our previous video on this song. The link is above and also in the description box. And do share your videos with us. Thank you. Peace.